welcome everybody here today, and particularly South members. It's great to see you all here today. We've got over 5,000 people coming to the game, so it's quite remarkable this early in the year. But it'll be remiss of me not to talk about what a great job Bill Hucker has done with his board here, completely a board which has got no football club people on it, which these people have had very little experience and that type of thing. And they came on board 4 or 5 years ago, and I'm sure they thought it was going to be a 12-month job, and so did we all. But due to DAs and problems we had with the council, a couple of building problems that we had, there was many a time in that time I'm sure that they felt that we wouldn't have this day today. And it's a tribute to them, and particularly to Bill and to Jimmy Hatfield, and also to Ken Stewart, the new CEO of the Leagues Club, that they're actually able to open this up today. What he said is true. This is the final piece of the puzzle. This is the clubhouse for South Sydney. This is the place that we honour and is part of our history, and this is the place that's part of our team. I want to say to Bill and his team, thanks very much, and hopefully our team can put something worthwhile on the board for you this year. Thank you, Bill. Well done.